Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can change the size of a text box to widescreen or to any other aspect ratios in your website projects on the Webflow website builder. So let us dive into this. Navigate to your page inside your website project on Webflow here in the designer, and what you want to do is left click into the text box. I'm going to go with this one here. Next, navigate to the text style settings here. And what you want to do after that is expand the size tab. And here you may adjust the text box width, height by clicking into these drop-down menus, or enter values here below: minimum width, maximum width, and the same with height. Let us skip this and instead enable the more size options tab here, and below you will see the aspect ratio. And if you click into that drop-down menu, you will be given the opportunity to adjust or to select one of these presets here for a text box. Right, as you can see, for example, if I select widescreen, the text box will be changed the size, as you can see, like this. So we can go with widescreen, sorry, it's not wide like the color, but wide screen 16:9, or go to landscape, portrait, square, these here, or go with custom, and then enter the aspect ratio width and height here. So let us go, for example, I don't know, with 4:3, and you will see the changes here to the left. And that's how it works, guys. Below you can also change the box size by using either a content box or a border box. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.